Hey guys, my name is Mike. I'm the creator of Tranzo, and today I'm going to show you how to create your first short link and track user activity when someone follows it. But first I'd like to show what is Tranzo and how it works. Tranzo is a service which shortens your links and track leads activity on your site. As you can see on this chart, after clicking short link, the lead is redirected to your website through Tranzo and marked with a cookie. After that, we can get this leads activity with tracking script. Today is my goal to show how to redirect leads to a website and track how many of them visited the successful order page. To do that, I need to show you the site, this site, and I'm going to track how many leads I visit this site and how many of them click this button and visit the successful order page. So start and create a first link with name like first link. For example, source will be XCOM Twitter. After that, need to paste the site, this one, and here that's it. We got our first link, short link, but after that we need to set up a specific script to track user activity on our website, and you see we need to copy this script and paste it in the head text section on our site. Let's do it. For example, it's our site, let's paste it, and also order page. Here we are. Everything is ready, and you see we need to track this order event, and this event will be triggered on some specific URLs, and we need to set up our URL to be order HTML. You see, let's copy it and paste it, save. You see, now everything is ready. So let's copy the link and simulate some user activity. We'll do it in incognito mode because we need to set up new cookie for every request to simulate new users. So the first user, just open the page and, for example, leave it. The next user, open the page, order something, and then leave. And the third user, just open the page and also leave it. So let's check our events. You see 1, 2, 3 clicks and 1 order. And also we should get this analytics here for the first link, but we need to wait a bit to update these stats on the server.
A few moments later.
So let's update the link data, and you see 3 leads and only 1 clicked on the order page. And let's check, you also can see some weak stats. Yeah, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the first video. See you in next videos. Bye.